Give settings for brush. Let me take a screenshot. Hold on. Mm, model reveal. Not really. I haven't. I technically yes, I have showed this before, but let me. I'm gonna send this in the server. I'm gonna ping you. Okay. Is that Psy? Yeah, yeah. I use Psy. I don't have Clip Studio. This is Psy. Oh yeah. If you guys use Psy, if you guys use Clip Studio, I don't think this would help. But I'm gonna send this in the art channel, I guess. Or maybe I'm gonna send it in the help center. Well, art Francis. Fuck. Fuck. I was just in the general chat. Oh shit. Mm. Like I need to finish it today. They are paying for full render, color, and liner. I'm not working on this after today. Fair enough. That's very fair. You know, you can always add that to your TOS, just in case like it gives you trouble in the future. You can always just be like, well, you cannot tell me shit because have you seen my TOS? It said this, you know? How do I crack CSB? I don't know. I still have a cracked one, but it's kind of it's a little bit off, and it's not a recent version, so I don't know. Custom design? No, I'm not literal. Time for me to lock it and draw a Yumi ship. What does Yume shipping means? I keep seeing that term a lot. What does it mean? Yume shipping. Is Yume shipping like self-shipping with a fictional character? I was right. Yume shipping is self-ship. Holy shit! My brain is so massive. I only fucking know nonsense. Uh, bye, Laura. Have a wonderful day and hope you have a nice, good night. Christmas. Thank you, Allie. When are we playing a game, Shaden? I need you to carry me. How about you carry yourself to the trash can? Hey, got him. Send in DMs. I put it in the general chat. Thanks, Dad. Oh my. You're welcome. I forgot you had dark mode. Yes, yes. My dark mode is a mod that I found on DeviantArt, I think. Laura is a CSP hater. I fucking am. It's so funny because I mean, I did, which is why I technically, like, have my reasoning to hate it. I have used it a few times, and it sucks ass. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, CSP users, but, like, Clip Studio fucking sucks. And I've tried so many different programs, not just Psy. Also give them a little freebie to be nice. Always give little. Oh, that's very sweet. Ah. It's like your OC to canon characters. They like the poster if they are really nice. Oh, that's very good. I'm glad they turned out well.